and on the mix we have Michelle. Now Michelle is speaking to Mr. Ansem about the award show, and so you can go ahead and take a look and listen to what Michelle has to say about her concerns with this. Have a wonderful one.
To you. And this is where you went wrong from me. You're going to tell the public to support Princess Award Show because it is Princess's dream. You are so wrong. Why would you are coming to say that what Erica did was so wrong, but yet the biggest point is where you have used your platform instead of promoting and encouraging people to support Princess's Award Show. I wish I do pay you or what is it? When I do some things, make me in a social media, make me wonder. Sometimes you hear some people say, they must say pay this one, they must pay this one. But when you talk something, I really wonder if you don't get paid if you do that. If them pay, because me don't know how can you come out in full support of Miss Donna and said, what Erica has said was so bad. It's degrading. Right? And she should have never done that. And you alluded to how you were being so honest. You as the honest person, right? People not give you the support, and people will come out and tell lies. Basically, you're saying that Erica lied to the public to get help, right? And you've always been honest. But here you are, instead of telling Princess to do the right thing, and the right thing would be to remove Erica from the recipients list. That's the right thing, right? Whatever is good for the goose is good for the gander. When Anna came out, and I know that you guys must be tired of me harping on about this, right? But right is right. And we have to be fair. If you want us to support that award show, Princess have to do the right thing. Because of what she did. She removed Anna from saying way less, way worse than what Erica said. And not only that, remember that the whole of the Plankatarians team up together and sent money to assist. People work very, very hard, right? Money not easy for come by, grow up on tree. And people were hating me and just, maybe them not even, they think that she deserve the award, but just because them hate me and want to shut me up, they don't like me. They say, you know what, just because I don't like Michelle Ladan, I'm going to send the money about, I want to see Erica go. Fishy shame. People are like that. You understand? People are like that. Right? And these people, they dipped their hands in their pocket and they sent their hard-earned money to Erica, which yesterday morning I wake up and I start laugh. And I feel like say if I did see Erica, I wish I could have stayed to just shake her hand. Just shake her hand and do like this. Well done, Erica. Well done. Me happy. Me feel good. If you know Erica get that visa, there people think when I come out say me bad man. Bad man where? I'm so happy that she got that visa. I want to see Erica. I don't want to see Erica the award show. I want to see Erica at Canada. I want to see Erica upon her live. They do her live on a shop. And a shop. And I go a restaurant and I eat planka money. Me just want to see she spend and I eat Plankatarians money. And that you're supposed to do, Mr. Handsome. You're supposed to come out and encourage Miss Princess to do the right thing. Well, Miss Princess, if you said that your show stands on integrity and dignity, right? Respecting women, supporting, encouraging, enlightening, empowering, and enriching women, then she herself need to come out and take a stand and stand behind her mantra and do the same thing, right? That she did with Anna. When Anna had a go at Nicolette publicly. Not Nicolette. And Nicolette, Nicolette. And Nicolette. No, remember, correct me if I'm wrong. Right? Nacolette. That's what she should do. But don't come out and encourage people to support the award show. Why would you do that? You see what I'm saying? It's like a friend thing on a fear it's like gonna have this fear of being honest. It's like on one team up. Why on need for team up? Why on can't just be honest and be real? Why on have to be why on have to be a tag team? Why does it have to be like that? Why you can't just see somebody and just be real and just be honest and just say, look here, yo, what you do? The same energy what you did have with this one, you have to have the same energy. That's how you gain respect. Because a lot of people, they're not respecting Miss Princess right now. Trust me. And we're all sitting and we're waiting to see what she is going to do. And until you, Miss Princess, do the right thing, I will always tell you this. Your show, your award show means nothing at all. Absolutely nothing. Until you come out and make that announcement, right? And remove Erica from the lineup. Whether you're going to give her a different award or what, I don't know. But not a philanthropist award. Not the philanthropist award that you were going to give to Anna. And you disqualified her. You took her off of that recipient list. Right? You took her off completely. And remember, I think Anna was going to get the philanthropist award. Isn't it? Not something like that. To that effect. Right? And now you're giving it to. Now Erica is still there. You have to be true to your word. If you say your award show means something, right? You have to stand behind that. And you have to practice what you preach. And like I said, whatever is good for the goose is good for the gander. So Mr. Handsome, with all due respect, don't come on social media, right? And try to, you want to try to appeal to the public for us to support something that we can see for ourselves that it's wrong. No matter how much you support Erica, right? No matter how much you dislike Miss Donna, no matter how much you might like Princess, fear is fear. Right is right and wrong is wrong. And in this case, I'm telling you, Princess is wrong. She is wrong. So don't come and tell people for support the award show. Support what? Support what? Support favoritism? Support a next female using another female to gain likes, views, following, and money? And that you want to support? Stop encourage slackness. Stop encouraging it. That's why I said the youths of today, they won't be better because of adults like us. Trust me. You understand? Your word is your bond. Right? And if you stand for something and you don't carry out what you stand for, then there's no point. You're not practicing what you're preaching. Then there's no point. So the young ones, they're just going to come and they're going to do the same thing. They're going to go back on their word. Because of what? They're going to be a sellout. They're going to sell out their own friend. You understand? They're going to go back on, all of the, where them grow up with them core values just for money. It's not good. Princess, do the right thing. And if you not do the right thing, oh my God, Father God. Princess, do the right thing. Do the right thing. You hear what I'm saying? Do the right thing. You know what the right thing is. Do the right thing. Set an example. Let's enrich, encourage, empower, and enlighten women. So that we don't go around and cause, be a nuisance on social media and be disrespecting each other. Set an example. When you came out with your award show, I was so happy. I said, yes, this is a movement. This is something that I will support. This is for us women supporting each other. But not with a leader like you. Not with a leader like you. And until you do the right thing, like I said, your award show means jack. Your award show, a puppy show.